Hey everyone, my name is Anita Hudson, and I am working on my Specialist of Education in Educational Psychology with hopes to graduate in December. Um, my current role is a seventh grade language arts teacher at McClure Middle School in Paulding County. This is my first year here. We just moved, and that's in Dallas, Georgia, which is on the other side of Atlanta near Kennesaw. Um, some interesting personal insights to help you understand or get to know me is that I'm very interested in the underrepresentation of minorities in gifted education because I've the last 3 years that I have worked with gifted students and STEM students, I have seen probably out of 300 students that have passed through my classroom, I've probably seen 20 who are minority. The rest were majority students. So it really concerns me that these students are not being identified, or that they're falling through the cracks, or not being nominated, or whatever's going on with that. Um, One of the most memorable diversity issues that I have encountered is probably that it's the same thing that I just said, is that I'm not seeing the representation in the gifted program of minorities, Hispanics, Blacks, Asians, Pacific Islanders, so on and so forth, and Native Americans. And so one thing that I did last year to help the students who were in the program, I started a mentoring program for gifted minority girls, and it started really small, 5 girls, and we talked about some of the challenges that minorities face, and especially minority females, in gifted programs and also after school. Just in careers, especially in STEM careers, science, technology, engineering, and math. And we had some folks come in and speak to the girls about the challenges and the biases that they've faced in their chosen careers. Um, my least favorite aspect of engaging in diversity and equity issues is that I am a minority, and sometimes folks think that because I'm a minority and I'm advocating for minority students, that that I have some type of hidden agenda, that I want to help, or that I'm focusing only on minority students. And I have to get them to understand that no, I advocate for all students. If there's if there is a white student who's facing an issue, I will go to great lengths to help them, just as I help my minority students. So that's probably um, one of the things that's most challenging and my least favorite thing to deal with, and to have conversations about. So, in a nutshell, that's me.